Hello students, how are you and how's your study going on? I hope that you all will be studying at your home. On the behalf of Paramount Public School, today I am going to teach you summary of first chapter of Flamingo book named The Last Lesson. So without wasting our time, let's move to our summary. The Last Lesson is written by Alfonso Duet. The narration of this story is by a French boy named Franz. So, students, Franz is a lazy boy. However, in spite of his laziness, Franz likes to play, and is of a sensitive nature. Furthermore, Franz hates his teacher, Mr. M. Hamel, in his school and has no interest in studying French. Why he hates his teacher? Because his teacher has several times beaten him for not learning French language, which is their mother tongue. So students, remember the thing that the boy Franz is telling us the story, and he was a boy of France, and we could also say that he's a French boy. So now what happened to them? An order has come from Berlin after taking over the districts of Alsace and Lorraine in France that the German language rather than the French should be taught in the schools there. It means that there was a war going on, and Germans have won the war, so they had taken over their control on two districts of France named Alsace and Lorraine, and they imposed their first rule here that all the people of Alsace and Lorraine will be taught German language rather than their own French language in the schools. Then furthermore, it is the school French teacher M. Hamel's last day. So this teacher has been working there for 40 years. It means it was a long time for M. Hamel. He was working here as a French teacher. Moreover, the teacher has also the feelings of patriotism. He is also full of nostalgia and grief. The village men also attend his last lesson so as to honor and respect him, because he was working here in the school for 40 years. He was teaching their child words, so village men also attend his last lesson to honor him, to give him respect for his faithful service of 40 years. The village is regretting and is sad that they didn't learn their mother tongue in their childhood. Some villagers were illiterate, so they were regretting now, feeling sad also that they haven't learned their mother tongue in their childhood. Now Franz receives a big shock when he learns that this is his last lesson in French. First of all, he was hating the language, but now he got shocked by listening this news. He is shocked because he doesn't know French. Furthermore, on learning about the last lesson, a sudden interest arises in him for learning French language now. Moreover, he pays careful attention and learns everything taught on this last day. And instantly he develops liking for the teacher, Mr. Amhamel also. His feeling of hatred for him suddenly disappeared. Could also say suddenly came to an end. Moreover, Franz develops respect for the hard work and sincerity of his teacher. Now he could understand that how hardworking and sincere his teacher was there to teach them. Now he was going to respect him. Franz is sad and ashamed for being unable to recite his lesson. Hamel explains that they all are at fault for lacking eagerness to learn. It is not the fault of only boy. All are having their fault for lacking eagerness to learn. Furthermore, he also includes himself in this fault also. He blames himself for lack of sincerity in teaching them. At some place, he is also feeling himself as blamed. There is reflection of his patriotism in his praise for the French language. Now he is going to praise the French language in different words. He says that these words are very important. French language is the most logical and beautiful language in the world. It seems that Amhamel got emotional on this occasion. Furthermore, he asked the class to guard their language. He says that being close to one's language is a way to escape the clutches of slavery. It means that he was saying to them that your language is your key. So while using your language, you easily could come out from the clutches of slavery, clutches of prison. This language will assist them, help them in attaining freedom from the Germans. Now the people realize the significance of their mother tongue. Moreover, they feel the reason for their defeat. They got the reason for their defeat is illiteracy, because they were illiterate, so they didn't know the more powerful weapons, they use it, and some techniques of fighting war. That's why they could now understand that the reason of their defeat is their illiteracy, because they do not pay attention to their study of themselves and their students. Franz feels that it is impossible to remove one's language from a person. This is because it is something that is natural to a person. Here Franz is also going to give you the example of pigeons also. They were cooing, and he thought that the Germans will let them cooing in the German language. So he was attaching this line with them, that language is something that is natural to a person. We can't change it by imposing some other things. This means that no matter how hard the opposition may try, they will fail to remove one's language. It means whether Germans are opposing it of teaching French language, and they had ordered to teach only German language, but they can't remove one's language from their natural environment, from themselves. So conclusion of this chapter is the last lesson summary reflects on the importance of one's language for any race and why it is crucial to safeguard it. It means why it is crucial to safeguard one's language. I hope students you got the summary very well. Thank you. Thanks for watching.